What is going on, guys? So I noticed something the other day. This is going to be an update to my Foxx Grips Gun Grips. Noticed something happening the other day, and I will show you here. Let me remove the magazine. Set that guy out of the way. And just so everybody's in the know, unloaded, we're all safe. What happened was the grip started removing itself, uplifting, whatever you want to call it. Kind of doing it on both sides, right at the top, as you can see there. I'm barely picking at it, and the whole top portion is kind of just coming loose. The adhesive here, not sticky anymore. It is there, so if I push down on it, it kind of stays. It's getting worse. It's been doing this for the last couple of days. So I reached out to Foxx Grips, sent them a message on their site. Haven't heard anything yet. I just told them what was going on, what happened. The only thing I can think is we're in the dog days of summer. Like I said, I carry this thing every single day. I have a feeling maybe it just got too much humidity, too much body sweat. I don't know. Who knows? So I sent them a message seeing if I would hear anything, but in the meantime, what I did immediately after I sent the message, I just went ahead and ordered a whole new kit. I figured, why not? It's only, I think, like $17 still with tax to have it shipped out. That way, I'll have a few extra pieces. Mainly, I only need that one right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get that replaced. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that, just to let you know what's going on with it. Otherwise, they are working very well. The sides are working. Even the back piece is kind of lifted right here. Now, I did hear back from them after I made that video of me initially installing these with the back plate on. They said, no, it's not meant for the back plate, but I did get it to work, and it actually works quite nice. But that is starting to lift, like right here in that crease. We'll see what happens there. Worst case, like I said, I do have another one I can use. However, if I do have to do it again, I might put a little slit right here and here, quite possibly, just to kind of help that fold over a little bit better, if you will. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video real quick, dismantle the gun, because obviously safety reasons, we don't want it to be loaded. It is not. And we're just going to take it apart for YouTube's sake. So give me 1 second and I will be right back. All right, and literally a second later, slide is off the gun. I'm going to go ahead, pull the grips out. Got our alcohol pad. I'm going to go ahead and take this guy off. You're dead to me. I wonder. Almost looks like the adhesive is just gone from that area. Hang on, let me turn on the light real quick here. Yeah, so it looks like the adhesive is just gone. So I'm assuming it might have gotten a little bit too much moisture. You can see it right here and right there. Yeah, she's done for. No worries. I'm not upset, not angry, not mad at Foxx Grips or anything like that. Just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. Now I know, and I think it was the first video I put up about these grips, I asked, what everybody else was using. And yeah, you can see some residue in there. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good wipe down with the alcohol pad. I did ask what everyone else was using. I got several comments down below. Like I said, this was in the first video about Talon grips, which I did see them. These ones just caught my eye first, so I bought them. When was that? 2 months ago? Something like that. But you guys were suggesting them. So I think Once these possibly, hopefully they don't, if they do happen to fail on me again, maybe I'll go that route. We'll see. Shove that in there. All right. Just some fibers from the alcohol pad. No worries. You gonna stand? No. All right. So I'm gonna do, actually I'm gonna take that alcohol pad back out. Give my fingers a good rub in here. I wanna open it. There we go. Get all the sweat and crap that's on there. I did just wash my hands, but we're hoping to avoid what happened last time. Now, would I be pissed off if it only lasted a few days, a few weeks? Sure. I mean, we're looking at a few months. I'm not that worried about it. Like I said, it is basically middle of July. It is hot. It's humid. And it is taken with me every single day. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this guy off. Alright, I'm going to go off camera here for just a second. I'm going to kind of place this a little bit lower. I don't know if that's going to make any difference. Yeah, it looks good. Give that a little press. Come around the sides. Make sure we're looking good. Now it doesn't cover those guys completely. We knew that last time. Last time I had it clear up to the top, covering the top portion, which left I think about 2 rows or so visible down below. So I'm just going to make sure that's seated. Now one thing I did get that's going to be different than the first video, pick this guy up. Craftsman, heat gun, battery powered, 20 volt. I got it on clearance at Lowe's. I think it was like 14 bucks or something. I was like, I'm stupid not to get it. And there's a model number if you're interested. Now, it is by no means as powerful as the Wagner that I have that's plug-in, you know, obviously 120 volt. But for an application like this, you don't need all that heat. I mean, Christ, a blow dryer would work just fine. But why worry about that when I have cordless? So we're going to go ahead and just lift this guy up a little bit. Just heating my hand. There we go. It's warm. I'm not trying to melt it. I'm just trying to get that adhesive to kind of get nice and sticky and tacky. See how that is. Needs a little bit more at the top. See that little corner, just up a little bit. Just gonna throw some heat on it. Oh, so it actually pulled it. I think I kind of goobered this one up. Get it back a little. I'm not gonna mess with it. No, I'm not. So you can see it actually started to melt. That's okay. We do have a thunderstorm rolling in. Welcome to Northeast Ohio in the summer. Just kind of heating right up the hair. Oh, I felt that air come out. There we go. So I'm curious, since I have an extra, there's that little bit right there. I'm gonna throw a little bit of heat on it. See if I can get that adhesive to kind of come back to life. Look at that. All right, I think that's all she wrote, folks. So the only issue, it was completely my fault. I boogered that up right there. As you can see, it's kind of stretched out. I melted it a little. Now, if this falls off again here, like soon, I'm not gonna fault the grips at all. To be honest, like I was saying, I am not even upset with Foxx grips or anything like that. These are very, very nice. They feel wonderful. Not upset. Now, if they were $50 or $70, something like that, I'd have a little bit of a problem with this. But beggars can't be choosers. No, we cannot. I think we're all set and ready to go. Like I said, just want to give you a quick update. Otherwise, I'm still super happy, super stoked with these. If you guys have any comments or anything, or still any other suggestions, I know, like I said before, Talon grips were suggested for these guys. I might look into that next time if I do run into another issue with it. If I do, I might consider a skin for it. I don't know. I've seen some images and some things online where people do have skins that they can apply to the gun itself. I don't know if it's considered hydro dipping. I'm not too sure. I really don't know. But maybe something to kind of... I'm not looking to stylize it or anything like that by any means. But what I might do is maybe... Red's my favorite color. Hence, like Craftsman. Snap-on. All of the above. Might get like a red trigger or something. I have no idea. I might just leave it as is. I do like the way it looks. It's sleek. It's super. It's sexy. Whatever. So let me know down below what else you guys think I should use, if I do need to change to something else, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless you all.